let's have a look at the first set of chords that Joni would use in an open D tuning. I'm going to start with a very obvious one. This is a low or just an open D major chord. All the strings are open. I'm going to start moving higher now. I'm putting my second finger on the A string, first finger on the G string. It's no longer a G string, is it? I'm going to refer to it using the original string names, although, you know, we've changed the tuning, but just so we can communicate quicker. Yeah, second finger on the A string, first finger on the first fret, now on the G string. And this is a G add 9. I'm going to move the same shape up 2 frets. Same fingers, just moving higher. Obviously, that's a different chord now. This is a D major 7. Don't worry too much about the names. Now I'm going to put my third finger right next to the second. Still A string, and that's frets now 5 and 3 for the fingers. Everything else is an open string. That's a D power chord. Now I'm going to keep moving. I'm going to play a couple of more shapes. Again, this formation here of the second and first fingers. This is frets 9 and 8 on A and G strings. Everything else is open. That's another D major, just a higher voicing. And what happens if I move my third finger a fret higher? I've got a lovely D sus4. So 6 shapes in total. Let's revise. D, G add 9, D major 7, D power chord, D, D sus4. Most of them are some type of D, right? So we only came around to this G add 9. Don't worry too much about the names. Just as long as you remember the fingerings and you associate that fingering with a sound, you're good to experiment with these. And in fact, that's what I want you to do. But let's do a little example just to get those going, just to use some of those in context. Let's go 3, 4. Very simple. What am I doing? I'm going to the G add 9. 2 beats, same shape moves up, D major 7. And then I'm just going to go on the upbeat to go to the low D. Kind of feels like it's going back home. And then what am I doing? Same rhythm, just going to the higher D here. 2 beats, then 1.5 beat of the D sus4. Before I head down to the low, open D again. Let's do it one more time. So 3, 4. Very easy, all downstrokes, by the way. So good luck practicing those shapes in our little example. I'll see you in the next video.